Okay, factorize. So first example I'll write 9x square, 16y square, 25z square plus 24xy, 40yz, 30xz. Okay, now we'll factorize the given question. Okay, let's look at once. Square, two terms. I think it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Yes, all terms are matched. Am I right? Maybe I'm just guessing. Okay, a square, but here we have a 9. We should have a square for both terms, but here square only for x, not for 9. So x 9 we can write it as 3 square into x square plus 16 we can express as 4 square into y square plus 5 square z square. Okay, let remaining terms, let it keeps remain. Okay, now we'll write both have a square, no, so we can write together 3x whole square plus 4y whole square plus 5z whole square plus honorate 24xy, 40yz, 30xz. Same 24xy, 40yz, 30xz. Yeah, I said the first term a square, b square, c square. Am I right? Let me write a is equal to maybe 3x, b is equal to maybe 4y, c is equal to maybe 5z. Correct? Now terms are a square, b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The short form of the formula is a plus b plus c whole square. That means if the total expression satisfies this condition, then we'll convert the formula into the short form. Okay. Now let's write a square, a value 3x I have written. Okay, 3x square. Okay, next 4y whole square. Okay, next c square, no, 5z whole square. Okay, it's also okay. 2, don't write, just look at your a value, b value. So let's write 3x into 4y. Just cross check once. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Yeah, 24 x into y, xy. Okay, very good. Next to 2bc, 2 b value 4y, 5z. Yeah, place. Now look at 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 10 into 40, 10 4s are 40, y into z, yz. Okay, well done. 2bc also completed. Next to 2ca, 2c value 5z, a value 3x. Now look at beta, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, x into z, xz. So finally what happened? The condition total satisfy up to here. Then we can write a shortest form a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a value we know 3x, b value we know 4y, c value we know 5z whole square. So this is a way of a factorize. Okay. Now we'll see some example. Yeah. 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Okay. Here we have some negative terms also. Let's forget about negative. Same. A square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Yes, right. Formula is matching. Okay. Now 25 we can write it as 5 square into x square. Okay, 16 we can write it as 4 square y square, okay. 4 we can write it as 2 square z square, and remaining as it is. 5 square x square, so we'll write 5x whole square plus 4y whole square plus 2z whole square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Okay, here also I'll write minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Okay, so now I'll start comparing this one. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The short form is a plus b plus c whole square. I'll just try to write down. A value may be 5x, b value may be 4y, c value may be 2z. One more thing we have to identify. What's that? Actually, in the formula we have all plus only, but here we have a 2 negative sign. Okay, that means negative has come from any one variable. Okay, remember, either from x or from y or from z. But look at negative in only two places, negative and negative. Here negative variables are x and y. Here negative variables are x and z. Here the common element is x. That means the negative has come from only x, because if the negative come from y, here also y, so here we should get minus only. Or if the negative comes from z, here also z, so this term also should be negative. Correct? So that x, the negative has come from only x only. So for x term I should apply minus 5x whole square. Now let me write a square minus 5x whole square plus 4y whole square plus 2z whole square plus 2ab, ab, 2 into minus 5x into 4y plus 2bc, 2 into 4y into 2z, plus 2ca, 2 into 2z minus 5x. We'll check it. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, plus into minus, minus 40 minus, okay, 40 minus 40, x into y, xy, okay. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, y into z, yz, okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, plus into minus, minus x into z, xz. Yes, everything matching. Correct now? Now the short form a plus b plus c whole square. So simply I'll write a minus 5x plus 4y plus a 2z whole square. This is the answer. That is the way of factorizing. Okay. Yeah. We'll write a 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Okay, we'll see this problem. So 9 we can express in square form. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 square a square. So this one we can write it as 3a whole square plus 4 2 2s are 2 square into b square. So this one we can express it as 2b whole square plus 16 we can write it as 4 square into c square. So simply we'll write 4c whole square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Correct? So we write as it is plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Okay, let's just imagine a value may be 3a, b value may be 2b, c value may be 4c. But what is the major problem? Look at the negative, two terms as a negative. As I told you before, look at, compare the variables now, B, C, C, A. The common variable is C. So that the negative has come from C. So C value minus 4C. Minus 4C. Now 3A whole square, yeah, A square completed, plus B square also completed, plus C square, yeah, minus 4C whole square, okay, plus completed, 2AB, yeah, 2 into 3A into 2B. Just you cross check it. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, A into B, AB. Okay, next 2BC, B value, 2B, C value, minus 4C. Now look at 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, plus into minus, minus 16, we got it, 16, B into C, BC, plus 2 into CA, minus 4C, A value, 3A, look at, plus into minus, minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, C into A, CA. Okay. Now the shortest form we will write it as A plus B plus C whole square. Correct? Now A value 3A plus 2B minus 4C whole square. That's the answer. Okay. Next we'll see one more problem. Last problem, I think so. Yeah, what is that? 27A cube plus 64B cube. I think we have a formula. This formula, what is that? X cube plus Y cube is equals to X plus Y into X square minus XY plus Y square. First we should write this is whole cube form, whole cube. Cube in the sense it's multiply itself 3 times. Okay. Now 27 I can write it as 3 cube into A cube plus 64. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 cube into B cube. Yeah. Both are same power, no? So I'll write 3A whole power 3 plus 4B whole power 3. Now what I'll write? Here I'll write X value 3A, Y value 4B. Formula, this formula. X plus Y, X square minus XY plus Y square. Yeah, you people may get doubt. Why should we write only this format? Because already question in this format. So answer should be RHS side. Okay. Now X plus Y. 3A plus 4B into X square, that means 3A whole square minus 3A into 4B plus 4B whole square. Yeah. 3A plus 4B square means same. 3A into 3A. 3 3s are 9. 9A into A square minus 3 4s are 12. A into B, AB, 4B. 4B into 4B. 4 4s are 16. 16B square. Yeah. This is a way of making factorization. Okay. Thank you very much. And do some homework problems.